Welcome to the Localify.org website demo. Today I will be running through our app and giving you an overview of some of our features. So this is the landing page. You have a couple options here, but we're just going to log in. On the login page, we also have a couple options. We have a Spotify login, an email login, and a guest login. The difference here being that if you sign in with Spotify, we will pull your familiar artist directly from there, whereas if you sign in with your email or as a guest, you will select those artists yourself. I'm going to sign in as a guest today. The first page in the onboarding, either way, will be a location selection, so you can pick where you want to explore local music. I'm going to pick Ithaca for today, and I'm going to leave the radius at that. The next page, if you don't sign in with Spotify, will be a genre selection. So you get a choice of popular genres, and you get some artists for those genres as well to contextualize them for you. Today I'm going to pick pop, folk, and rock just for the demo. And then the next page will be some more artists from those genres to choose from. This is so that you can pick artists that you might be familiar with so that we can better give you recommendations. You have to pick at least 5 of these, and I'm just going to pick randomly today. And then I'm going to click continue. At this point, you'll be presented with the recommendations page. Here we have a list of recommended artists and recommended events. The artists are contextualized with some similar artists. These are pulled directly from your artists that you provided us with or your artists that were pulled from Spotify if you signed in with Spotify. This is to give you an idea of why you were given that recommendation. We also provide some genres for those artists, a play button so you can listen to their music, and a percent match score, which is your score for that recommendation. On the events page, we have a couple more things like a ticket link and some more specific details about the event. If you click one of these cards, you'll be taken to a more detailed overview of that artist. On here, you'll see we have a Spotify profile, some more miscellaneous information, and the local cities of that artist. In this local city section, you'll have the option to add a city to that artist if you would like to. This is one of our crowdsourcing features. It's really important because our whole recommender system is based off of these local cities. And if I was signed in as not a guest, I would be able to click this. So to showcase some of our signed in features, I'm going to quickly connect my Spotify account. And you'll see now if I go back to the artist, I can click this and add a city to Kurt Riley. If I go back to the recommendation page and then refresh really quickly, I'll get a Spotify playlist for Ithaca, New York. This is a personalized playlist based off of my recommendations. It's made up of both songs from artists I already know and songs from artists in the recommendation. We also offer some generalized playlists for cities and venues. These are non-personalized, so they don't have your recommended artists. They just have the local artist for that city or that venue. A couple of the other features that we offer are this search bar at the top so that you can look for artists, cities, and venues. And we offer a weekly email digest. You can get on Wednesdays an overview of your best events for that week. And that's all.